Okay, quick overview. Go to the Erskine website, click on Student Portal. From there, you're going to have to log in. It's Dawson.die, and it's 2013 METS 9. I can't remember if it's an exclamation point or not. I'll send that to you off of your, I have it saved on my notes. Click here to order your books. Once you click there, you might have to log in again. It's the same login information. Mine's already logged in. So I go to, I click on that, and here is one of the books. If you click on it, on that number, hold on, it's being slow. That order says complete. You can see that this is a digital order. No, this has been sent by UPS Ground, and it says it's complete. You can track the book right there. There's your statistics book. There's a sports management book. So it tells you where everything is. If you go back one right here, this tells you how to access your, you had one digital book, and that was for that, information management or something like that. And this shows you the code and how to access it. So there you go. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel now. Love you. Bye.